So hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. And many of you guys wanted to know about the AAU vet entrance, about the marks, its subjects, and various other related questions. So today in this video I'm going to explain you about the AAU vet entrance. So without any wait, let's begin. So first of all, let us discuss on who are eligible for AAU vet entrance. So about the eligibility, uh, the applicants should be from Assam, means the applicants should have the domicile of Assam. And number two is that the students should have passed the subjects of physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology and English up to the 12th standard level with 50% marks in aggregate of three subjects. PCB should be at least of 50% marks to be eligible for the vet entrance. And also for more information you can log into aau.ac.in. And now let us talk about the subjects, marks distribution, etc. So the question type is multiple choice question, that is MCQ. Number of question will be 200. Subjects will be physics, chemistry and biology. Total marks is 200. And section wise question and marks division will be physics 50 questions, chemistry 50 questions, botany 50 questions and geology will also be 50 questions, which totals to 200 marks. And exam duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. And coming to the marking scheme, yes, there is negative marking also. So 1 mark will be awarded for each correct response and 0.25 marks will be deducted for each incorrect answer. Also, many of you wanted to know about how I prepared for the entrance. So now let us discuss about how I prepared for this entrance. Uh, about the preparation, frankly speaking, my main preparation was that of NEET exam. So the syllabus is same as that of NEET exam, that is class 11 and 12 physics, chemistry and biology. Let me start with biology, how I prepared it. So for biology, NCRT books 11 and 12 is a must for all students. We should revise each topic over and over again so we don't forget it. And for problem solving, I did NCRT at your fingertips and all need previous year's questions. Also coming back to chemistry, for chemistry I prepared through physics wala. I think everyone knows it about that. He has a YouTube channel with the name physics wala, and there he also teach chemistry. So I prepared through his video all those organic chemistries and all. And I about question solving, yes, for this also, if you're preparing for mainly for AAU vet entrance, NCRT at your fingertips chemistry will also help you a lot, since the questions which they give are not so tough and not so easy also. It will be based on NCRT only. And yes, about chemistry I also did from Vedantu. That is also available in YouTube. For physics I did from Vedantu and physics wala. Mainly I preferred Vedantu and solved the previous year's NEET questions and JEE main questions also. I think for physics also we don't have to go much into it, since we can score from botany and geology, and we don't have to give that much pressure on physics. So yeah, that's all. Revise NCRT as much as you can, and do not forget to solve questions, because only solving questions will help you. So any doubts, yeah, any related questions about the college and about the entrance you wanted to know, please don't forget to comment down so I could include those questions in my next video and help you all. So till then, take care and stay safe. Please do not forget to follow the COVID protocols. So thanks for watching this video and take care, stay safe. Bye bye.